What's up, everybody? Day 8, quarantine bartender here again, and these dang gone kids don't have school. This is gonna be crazy. I think I got a new bar back that's gonna work for me, but I don't know how I'm gonna be teaching these kids. I'm gonna try to teach you a drink, but anyway, that's here or there. Anyway, today we're gonna be doing the Dirty Martini. The Dirty Martini is one of my favorite martinis, and why is it? Because it gets dirty, and this is the only way I'm getting dirty with these kids home. So anyway, here we go. Martinis are made with gin, preferably gin. The traditional way is with a gin. I have a copper oak gin right here. It's from Portsmouth, Virginia, so big shout out to these guys that actually distill their own gin right down in Portsmouth. My wife prefers a vodka martini, so we're going to be doing actually one with a vodka. So you can do either a gin or a vodka martini. You're going to also need a dry vermouth. You're going to need a lemon, and you're going to need olives and olive juice. All right, and just put all those together. Clean up right here. Wash our hands. Okay, guys. Like I said, we need some more good news. China has actually reported that they have the lowest new cases coming out of their country. That means that they are actually starting to stem this thing off. This might be the beginning of the end. Who knows? It seems like a long way away for us, but for them, at least that's some good news. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. All right. So, ice in the cup. Gin. It's going to be 3 ounces. So that's going to be a 6 parts. Okay. So 2, and then this one is going to be 1. So then our dry vermouth. Right in there like so. All right. Now my wife, I'm going to make this for my wife. She likes hers very dirty. So what I'm going to do is put a good amount of this olive juice right into it. Boom. Okay. The dirtier you want it, the more olive juice it is. Simple as that. All right. And then shake it. Take your martini glass, if you have a martini glass, whatever glass you have, put it underneath the water and put it in the freezer. 10 minutes, it'll come out nice and chilled glass. And it's super professional. All right. Top that off. All right. Another little good news, just so you know. Antarctica, the only continent without the coronavirus. Maybe not the best time of the year to go there since it's coming into their winter, but it is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna pour this right in here. Usually I have my strainer somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. Okay. And what the strainer does, it takes out all the ice, takes out all the impurities into it. All right. Just like so. Push this to the side. All right. And the last is you want to take a lemon peel straight off of this, like so. And when you put it on, it's really a lot for when you spray it. You spray it just something like that, and you're just spray it out, and it goes right on top. And then right when it goes on top, to do a twist is honestly just grab it. Kind of hard to see, but you just kind of twist it over and just keep on twisting. Doesn't have to be super fancy. Put it around the sides, drop in, and then our olives. I would usually have toothpick so you can grab it out easier. I don't have one, so we're just gonna have to drink to get to the bottom and get our olives. All right, simple as that. All right, I know it's been a bad day. I know it's been kind of crazy. I know there's a lot of things going on. This drink's gonna help you get through it, but I also have a big shout out to Bo Zeno. He is actually a contractor in the area looking for subcontractors right now. So if you're looking for a job or some kind of job as a subcontractor, I'm going to put the number right below. I also have James Byron from Landscaping Company, and he does a great job, does my yard, but he's also looking for work. So he's got jobs out there. So if anybody wants a job, I'm going to put his number at the bottom. And then the last thing is I'm actually going to be adding into a website that you can go to that helps out with people that have obviously been displaced or lost their jobs when it comes to the coronavirus. So these are all little helpful things. Hopefully it takes a little bit of that pressure off, or at least knowing that there's something out there that maybe you'll be able to find. I know it's rough right now, but these type of things, take a drink, relax, take the edge off. Last thing is this, just looking for people to post a picture. It's day 8, all right? We've got plenty of days before. Post a picture of you making any of the drinks from before and just put it onto our Facebook. Take a picture of you, yourself, the cocktail, whatever, and post it up there. And whoever I like the most, I'm going to give them something tomorrow. All right, so that's tomorrow. God bless everybody. Do not forget, separate, don't isolate. God bless.